Hey, I'm Garth, a photographer and filmmaker from New Zealand, and I'm stoked to introduce to you a brand new tripod from Manfrotto. The all-new 645 FTT Fast Twin Tripod with fast lever lock technology is a stable twin-leg video tripod with unparalleled setup time. It comes in both aluminium and carbon fiber leg options. If you're looking for gear that's fast to adjust and incredibly ergonomic, this new addition to the 600 series is an indispensable addition to your kit. As with all Manfrotto tripods, it's precision made in Italy from high quality materials, making it sturdy and lightweight. The 645 FTT is unbelievably fast to deploy. Just pull the fast lever lock and it unlocks the whole leg. Lift the tripod to the desired height and push in to lock the leg. Using a single lock for the whole leg significantly reduces setup time, making adjustments fast and efficient. The leg angle can be easily adjusted using the angle selector at the top of each leg. Just click it through to the desired setting. This means you can use the tripod without the need for a spreader. The 645 FTT excels in the studio, but it's also very versatile on location. It comes with rubber shoes for studio and urban use, but these can be removed to reveal the built-in spikes to give you sturdier shots on soft terrain or outdoors. The 645 FTT is also suitable for use with a spreader for greater stability. In the studio, the spreader can be attached at the base of the legs at the back of the feet. This has a locking mechanism, making it fast to attach and remove. The new spreader allows for continuous adjustment, allowing any angle, not just pre-selected steps. If outdoors, the spreader can be attached halfway up the legs to allow for uneven terrain. When using a spreader, you must disengage the angle selector first. The 645 FTT features 2-in-1 half-ball mount, making it perfect for use with your current and future video heads. With the adapter, the tripod can support an industry standard 75mm or 100mm ball head. The 645 FTT is an intuitive, fast and innovative tripod that will greatly improve your versatility on set. To find out more, head to manfrotto.com.